The virtual world stretches the boundaries of our own reality. One of the limits we face when entering this world is movement. We wanted the experience to feel as real as possible, so we created CyberShoes. CyberShoes bring your feet back into the game, letting you navigate your games using your feet rather than your hands. Running from the comfort of your own chair lets you keep your normal seated position, but opens up a more natural way to trek the paths of your favorite games. We managed to keep the design as simple as possible, while integrating inside tracking with analog movement detection. The shoes keep their own orientation. You can run, walk, sneak, and jump using the shoes, giving you the most accuracy in navigating a game ever. We have been through countless designs, trying to make it right, but now we have a product that runs more stable than the VR system itself. Slip on another pair of shoes and sign into the game. The seated position makes multiplayer in VR feel like there are no walls in the room at all. CyberShoes are one size fits all. Slip on over your regular shoes and secure to your feet with bindings, just like a snowboard, to ensure that the game picks up exactly what your feet are doing at all times.
We emulate the touchpad of the controller, so now it's playable with all the games that are already featuring some movement. There's this big virtual reality out there and you can't walk it.
I'm an early adopter of VR and I love the possibilities it offers. But I was so disappointed when I realized that I could not take more than a few steps before hitting a wall. That's why we have developed CyberShoes to give you the access to the virtual world as it is. Unlimited.
Check out our crowdfunding page and learn more about our technology, our brand, and how these shoes will change the way you play games forever. CyberShoes. Step into the virtual world.
Here at Armed Audio, we have a team of designers and creators from Melbourne, Australia. We made it our mission to revolutionize the headphone industry, the Elite 300. For the past 12 months, we've been working on changing the game, and we are incredibly excited to share with you what we believe are the most unique headphones out there. We have worked closely with our engineers to create the most durable headphone. After months of sketching, testing, and prototyping, we flew down to Shenzhen to search for the highest quality manufacturers. By teaming up directly with the technicians at Sodo, it has made it possible for us to complete every single attention to detail required to meet the standards that we wanted to accomplish. We have strived to make our product more affordable than our competitors, delivering you the highest quality sound possible, as well as using the strongest materials, such as aluminium plus ABS, other than your typical everyday plastic. We have created an exciting, unique feature that allows you to turn out the ear cups, playing your music in speaker mode, and allowing you to share your sound with others, unlike ever before. We wanted to allow each and every one of you to customize the handcrafted equalizers and presets, to bring you the power to shape your sound at your fingertips, whether you want more punch, a deeper sound, or thundering bass. You can simply change the audio that suits you best to control the sound surrounding you with our noise cancellation feature. If you want to be a part of this revolution, take advantage of this limited time offer. Help back this project and share this campaign with your connections. It would mean the world to us.
Meet Glow, revolutionary active footwear made with patented cutting-edge fiber optic technology. With full-surface shooting star LED effect, a new category of sneaker that raises the bar and redefines everything you ever thought a sneaker could be. Light up the world at the touch of a button. With 6 breathtaking colors, you have 6 head-turning styles in one sneaker. You can match your mood, your outfit, or even your team colors. Make a statement and look fantastic. Wear them casually every day, or easily fit them into the most active of lifestyles. The flashing mode is perfect for your evening run or anytime you want extra visibility. The custom-made honeycomb fabric is the first of its kind, with a distinctive style that looks great day or night. It's breathable yet water-resistant, so you never have to worry about being caught out in the rain. The fiber optic reinforced electrical components have been rigorously tested to withstand the highest impacts over prolonged periods of time. With dual-layer memory foam, your insoles adapt to your feet, so you feel like you're floating on a cloud. Seriously, putting one foot in front of the other has never been so comfortable. The two sneakers have been designed to be evergreen, so they will never go out of style. Be one of a kind. Be revolutionary. Be unique. Escape from the ordinary. Step into the light.
Hey Apple, sweet watch. Your watch can run your life. Everything from appointments to health and fitness, and even the simplest of tasks. Yeah, it can help you breathe. Here's the problem. You just paid $500 for a watch, and it's worth it, believe me, for freeing up that brain space. But what's up with the $5 silicone watch band it came with? A sport band that doesn't breathe? What the fungus? Has limited colors and $50 for a replacement? Are you kidding me? It's an overpriced, uncomfortable, sweaty piece of rubber that makes no statement of who you are. At Groove, we have the solution.
Introducing Groove Band, the first truly breathable watch band, offered in never-before-seen designs that help you stand out in a crowd. Breathable grooves keep you comfortable and dry. Air flows in and moisture flows out. Groove's ultimate comfort art reduces skin contact. It is the only band with inner grooves that keeps your skin dry and comfortable. Here at Groove, we are always innovating. Not only are we bringing you the first breathable watch band with exclusive patterns, what we're really excited about is our new 3D dimension designs. Following the success of our dimension rings, we discovered that the watch bands are a perfect canvas for these textures. Working in 3 dimensions allows us to explore designs that were never before possible and endless options for the future. Offered in exclusive patterns and designs that make your band as unique as you. Groove bands make a statement about who you are.
Hey guys, my name is Peter Goodwin and I'm the founder here at Groove. And just 3 years ago, I kickstarted Groove rings from my garage in Alaska. And since then, we've been just a little bit busy. We moved our small company from our garage in Alaska to our new facility here in Nashville, Tennessee. We hired over 40 people and have scoured the globe for the best materials for our products. We've sold over 1 million rings. We're an overnight success. There was that 3 years of blood, sweat, and tears and pain and misery, and I had 2 children. There was like 3 weeks I didn't sleep. We were broke. It's been wonderful. No, seriously, guys, it's been a wild ride, but I wouldn't change it for anything.
Hey guys, I want to pull back the curtain on all the cool things that we're doing. Welcome to Groove. Groove headquarters is located here in Nashville, Tennessee in a cool old 1930s school building. We're growing so fast, we've expanded from room to room to room to room.
So why try a Groove band? Great question. 1, we use the same uncompromising material we use in our Groove rings. And secondly, it's super functional. It's the only breathable watch band that has grooves on the inside that allow it to breathe. And third, just like all of our products, the Groove band comes with an unlimited lifetime warranty. You can't beat it. Be one of the first people to experience the new Groove band by backing this campaign. 3 years ago, you made Groove ring a reality, and I really appreciate it. We look forward to this Groove band and many other products in the future. Keep grooving.
Sometimes all you want from your watch is the simplicity to tell the time without distractions. Other times, you need the precision of a chronograph. We couldn't find a watch that you could adapt to suit your mood at a reasonable price. So, we created our own. After a year of painstaking research and prototyping, we're proud to bring you the Do Janus automatic chronograph, combining Zen-like simplicity with precise functionality. Twist it one way to hide the inner workings of the watch away, or the other to reveal the precision display. We searched far and wide to find the right components so we could pack Janus with top-end features. With the brand new Seiko NE86 automatic movement, scratch-proof sapphire glass, a high-grade 1.4310 stainless steel casing, and a breathable Italian leather strap. It's lightweight and brings out the great vibrations of the Seiko movement. So, what are you in the mood for today? Simplicity or precision? Either way, the Do Janus automatic chronograph will cater to your needs. Your support will help us bring more watches to you at better prices. Oh, and we've introduced the lower priced Do Chimera with the professional look of the Janus and a lower spec Miyota 9122 movement.